So I've particularly enjoyed working with ISBF on these ISBF LSE teaching symposiums. One, because part of what is being conveyed and introduced to the teachers and the counsellors is what we take to be the strong cutting-edge features of a rigorous but also innovative pedagogy of our programmes. And it is enjoyable and very valuable to see some of that learning extended to these teachers and counsellors, and to see the way they react to it as it opens up opportunities for them to develop their own styles and prepare their students for possibly coming to either ISBF or for coming to LSE at some later stage in their education. So they have been very successful and very encouraging, and the feedback we've had from the teachers and counsellors has been very positive. And the way in which they're delivered by ISBF is also clever in that it's structured to demonstrate some of those practices that are central to the way in which we both deliver the curriculum. So it's both telling the teachers and counsellors about what we do, but it's also showing them, it's involving them in it so that they then see actually that's what they've been doing in these centres. So I think they're very valuable and they're a good way of demonstrating successful practice.